Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. My name is Laura Milligan and I am here to go live with you. I'm going live every day this week at 1 o'clock and I am just showcasing some of the new products from our brand new, let me bring it in here, annual catalog. This just launched yesterday and it's always an exciting time and there's so many wonderful new products and I just thought it'd be fun to showcase several different ones throughout this week. So thank you for joining me. And today I'm switching gears from what I did yesterday and actually Monday as well, totally different. So let me switch my camera view down so that you can see what I'm going to make today. And if you're there, please say hi, give me a shout out, let me know where you're from. Just say hi, I'd love to know who's watching, even if you're watching on replay. Okay, so let me just check here. Okay. So first I'm going to start by showing you the cards that I made even earlier this week. Oh, hi Judy from Pinehurst. You must be traveling. Hi Debbie. Hi Colleen. So these are the two cards I've made so far this week. This is the one I made on Monday. Gorgeous floral card with a really neat die cut background. This is the Hues of Happiness, very popular, sweet. I've had a lot of orders going in for this already since yesterday when the catalog went live. That card I've already sent out to the lucky recipient of that one. This is the card I made yesterday. This one features the Sweet Songbirds bundle. It is a stamp set and punch, and of course we all love the we all love a good punch bundle, right? So this is just a really cheerful, happy card. I did it in some of our new in colors, and I think this would brighten anyone's day. And so I did draw a winner for this card, and this one is going to, oh my gosh, and you know what? I don't have the paper. It's over on my desk. Hold on one second, because I have a friend here, and I think there, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, sorry. Nice to have a friend that will come to your rescue when you need it, right? So this card is going to Kathy Oldham. Kathy, I do not have your address, so please send me a message or email me so that I can get this card in the mail to you. So that one is for you. Hi, Marianne. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Anne-Marie. Hi, everybody. So good to see you all dropping in. Thank you so much. All right, so today, like I said, I'm totally switching gears, and I am going to be featuring a new bundle. I have it marked here so that I can find it. It's called Brewed for You. And it is a combination stamp set and set of dies. And I think you can see the dies there. It is a bundle. It is $37.75 for the bundle because you save 10% if you get it as a bundle. And I think that's a really good deal, actually. So let me just show you this in person. So this is the stamp set. There's some good, really good words with this. It has obviously a beer theme. And let me pull out the dies. So the dies consist of like different glasses, types of glasses and bottles. And we think this is like a die for hops. And another little glass there. I love the words on this. Another round for your birthday. Oh, ale, yes. Think that's really cute. So let me show you my card. We all need guy cards. That's right. Okay, so this is the card that I'm making today. I know when I asked you before, you always like to see the end product before I actually do. And I don't always show it to you because sometimes I like to just do it and surprise you. But as we go along. But this, actually, let me say, this bundle is what I'll be using this month for my B box, which is one of my classes to go that I offer monthly. It won't be this card. I'll probably use different papers and design. It'll be a totally different layout, but watch for details on that. This is a great card for the men in our lives. So let me just pull out my kit here. I'm starting with a thick white base, 8.5 by 5.5. I'll take my bone folder so that lays nice and flat and has a crisp fold to it. I'm going to go ahead and do some stamping. Let's see here. So I have this scrap paper here. I'm just going to go ahead and use that. So first I'm going to stamp one of the big glasses. I am using today, my ink colors are Tuxedo Black Memento and then Crushed Curry. So I'm going to start. Yeah, so when I do my B box, this, you know, with this cardstock, I think this got wet. I'm going to grab a new piece here. Hold on here. Luckily, I have my drawer of white cardstock right here. So let me just pull a little piece out. Okay, here we go. So when I do my B box, you actually get 4 different card ideas, layouts. So I'm going to go ahead and just stamp that once. And then I am going to use my Crushed Curry ink. Hi, Wendy. Hi, Candy. So I get my magnetic mats that I keep my dies on from a place called Stampin Storage. They have all kinds of storage equipment and that sort of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp that. So there is my glass full of beer. But you know what? I'm going to do it again because I realized I need to move the Crushed Curry part down a little bit lower. I'm kind of at a weird angle because of my camera, but I'm going to fix that. There, it looks better. Like this one's kind of floating up out of the glass. So there's that. And then the other little stamp I'm going to stamp is just this part. It's like the foam at the top of the glass. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll just put that right there. And then I will run these through my die cut machine. Let me just pull these dies. So that one will be for that one. And then this little one. Hi, Sally. How are you? Good to see that you're watching today. So there's the die for the foam and then the glass. So I will run that through, and I've already done that. And like I said yesterday, if I'm assuming most people watching are crafty. I know a lot of you are my customers and are actually demonstrators. If you don't know how to use our die cutting machine, I would be happy to show you. It just saves me a little time when I cut these ahead of time. So I've already done that. We'll set that aside. And then I'm going to take this panel, and I have used the Stitch with Whimsy dies. And let me hold this up. They just do like a stitching. I don't know. There you go. If I hold that up that way, I think you can see it. It doesn't actually cut all the way through this panel, but it just makes like a whimsical kind of stitching around. It just adds some interest to this white panel. So I am going to take my glass again, and I'm going to stamp it in the black ink and see if I can get this straight. Put that about right there. And then I'm going to ink up another one, and this one is going to be a little bit lower and just sort of overlap on that one, just like that. And then I'll take my Crushed Curry, and I will bring this down here and just fill in that with color. And then I'm going to just stamp it again so that I have 2 different colors of beer there. I guess a dark and a light ale. I don't know. I'm not a beer drinker, so I don't know. But okay. Then I have 2 different strips of designer paper. This is from this is one of our new ink colors, and this is from the ink color DSP stack. And so I'm just going to take this pattern and put this across here. So I'm going to attach this with my glue. I'm going to take my needle, my straight pin here that I always leave on this to get this flowing. Sometimes the end of this bottle kind of clogs up, so I just keep a pin there. All right, so I'm going to put this across here like that. I'm going to push that down a little bit. Just like that. And then I have a white panel, and I'm going to stamp some words. another round for your birthday. I'm going to just do that on this little white panel. It's really fun to have some new products to use. It's just fun to always, after a while of using some of the same things, it's just fun to be able to switch things up and use some brand new colors and papers and stamp sets and that sort of thing. So I am going to attach this to my card front, but first I'm going to take, this is our metallic glimmer ribbon. It is also the in color, it's Starry Sky. And I'm just going to take a little snippet of this. Don't need much, just a teeny little bit of that. And I actually, you can fray this, which is what I did. So I'm going to just actually, it's already sort of fraying at the end. I'm just going to encourage it a little bit, fray it a little bit more. And I will put this behind my word panel here. And I am going to pop this panel up. So I'm just going to use some dimensionals to help hold that ribbon in place. And these are the mini dimensionals. Okay, so then this is going to go across. Just like this. That's going to go there. And then I'm going to take my beer, my glass of beer and the foam, and I need to attach the foam. So to do this, I'll just take a little bit of my Tombow glue and put it on that foamy area, the little part that's running down, and I'll just position that and just center it on the top of that glass. And I'm just going to give it a second to stick. Okay, then when I flip this over, what I'll do is just take another little mini dimensional and put it there where the foam meets the top of the glass, and that will help secure that there. And then I'm just going to bring in my regular size dimensionals to pop that up. And actually, I could even put one there. I'm going to go ahead and reinforce that because I want to be sure that that stays in place. Okay, I agree, Wendy. I love the new in colors. I haven't heard anyone say that they didn't like them. So I'm going to put this here like that. So there's that part. And then I'm going to add just a couple little dots of these teeny little stamps just bubbling right above the beer. The bubbles are just flowing, right? Then I am going to put my ink away real quickly. I'm going to cover it up so that I don't get it where I don't want it to be. Set those aside. And then I'm going to bring in my card front. Isn't this cute? I just think this is such a cute card. So now I'm going to take a smaller strip of my Starry Sky DSP. Like I said, this is from the 6x6 paper stack. And we got all new patterns. We have these in all 4 color families and also the in colors. And we got all new patterns this year. Plaid, you can see some of them there, but I think they're super cute. And again, like I said, it's fun to have some new colors and patterns and products to work with. Okay, so this I'm just going to angle a little bit. I could have put it straight down, but I just thought, why not angle it? And then this is going to go here like this. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that. This will be flat. I'm not going to, believe it or not, I'm not popping this part up. You know, I love my dimensionals and love popping things up, but this panel is just going to be flat. I guess because the cup, the glass of beer is popped up, so. And you can see, hopefully you can see, on the camera view just how the little stitch with whimsy dies, it just adds something a little extra to this card. All right, so now I'm gonna give this a second to hold here. It just needs a press. Okay. Then I'm going to do a little bit of embellishing. These are also new. These are the Glossy Dots Assortment Pack. And they are very glossy and very pretty. And I'm just going to take one of these yellow ones and just put that on the edge of my words here. Okay, so there's that card. And then on the inside, I'm just going to add some more words from the set. What does it say here? It says, I owe you one, and then in parentheses, or several. So it's just kind of a fun, lighthearted set. And like I said, perfect for those masculine cards that we need. Okay, so we'll line this up. There we go. Super cute. And if you wanted to, you could, which I might as well, because I have enjoyed stamping with this. I'm going to go ahead and put a glass here, and then I'll go ahead and add some color on the inside as well. It just sort of makes the inside of the card look cute. All right. So make sure I get that down there low enough so my beer isn't floating like the first one I did. Okay, so there you have that. And there is my card. And that is my card for today. I'm just doing one card today. And I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to bring in my sample. So there is the card. And I'm going to go ahead and switch up my view. Thank you all so much for joining me today. This is a short Facebook Live, but I think sometimes we need cards that are quick and cute and get them made and get them out the door, you know, address them, put a stamp on them and get them made and sent to someone that we love and care about. So I hope that you will join me again tomorrow. I have another card that I'm going to make featuring some brand new products, and I will be going live at 1 o'clock. I look forward to seeing you then. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm always happy to answer them. And don't forget about our amazing sign-up special that we have right now. It is a great, great deal. It's a great way to get some of the new In Color products at a really good deal. I have all that information posted. Actually, it went out in an email. If you're on my email list, which I hope you all are, you will get information on that. But it is a great deal, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I should also mention that all the cards that I'm making this week will end up on my blog, which is lauramilligan.com. So you can go there and check out the other cards I've made this week. I'm actually putting the first one up, I think, just today. I'm still working on that one. I've got to complete that blog post because it's been busy. I was really busy yesterday with a lot of orders coming in, which was very exciting. So anyway, I will be sure to check out my blog, and I will see you here tomorrow at 1 p.m. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have time to be creative today. Bye-bye, everyone.